Yo, what's up everyone? I'm out here early in the morning and I just got this the firewall clip thing, this right here. Just got this off so you can see it was together, and that shit stuck on there for real. That glue ain't playing. And so I got this brand new. It was like $22 off of eBay, Amazon, you know, wherever. Shit works good. Got a heat knob adjustment. Yeah, with that and a couple screwdrivers, you know, and some prying, and it comes off. And I would have shown you, but I was just having too much fun doing it. And but yeah, this shit works good. That should get it hot. You feel me? You probably can't even tell on this camera, but it does melt it. And then yeah, so it takes about 20 minutes or so, you know, prying at it with some screwdrivers. You know, your back might hurt a little. Mine hurts a little bit, but there it goes. Now I can put this wiring through here, and I don't have this thing obstructing. And there it is. All right, peace.